Okay, let's start with our exercise about adjectives and adverbs. Let's start with adjectives first. We've got a following sentence. He drives a, and let's add the adjective fast. He drives a fast car. So what has happened? We've used an adjective to describe the car. So adjectives can describe nouns. Car is a noun, and it is described by the adjective fast. What is the car like? It is fast. Good. Let's have another sentence. A tour across the Highlands is hard. What is a tour across the Highlands like? It is hard. So hard describes the tour. So it is an adjective that relates to the tour across the Highlands. So it's actually the whole thing that is described with this adjective. A tour across the Highlands is hard. And you see that especially after forms of to be, which is in this case, you normally have an adjective form. A form of to be usually needs an adjective. Let's have another sentence like that. The children, or these children, are happy. So you see, happy is the adjective that describes the children. Who is happy? The children are happy. They are happy. So the form of to be needs an adjective. So the adjective stands after a form of to be, or it describes a noun that follows the adjective directly. He drives a fast car. Another example of that. This is a wonderful house. This is a wonderful house with, let's say, happy children inside. So you see that in front of the noun house and in front of the noun children, you have an adjective form. The form wonderful that relates to the house, and the form happy that relates to the children who are inside the house. This is a wonderful house with happy children inside. So you see that adjective forms can stand in front of a noun, or as in fast car, wonderful house, happy children, or as an object after the form of to be. A tour across the Highlands is hard. The children are happy. So you see, those two are adjective forms. Let's go over to adverbs. They are different. The children walked, let's say they walked slowly through the fields. So the question is related to an action. How did they perform that action? They walked slowly through the fields. So slowly relates to walked, to the action. Jason has learned English. Let's say he learned it easily and fast. So the adverb forms easily and the adverb form fast, they too are related to how Jason learned English. He has learned English easily and he has learned English fast. So that relates to the verb form. The verb form here is a perfect form, has learned. Jason has learned English easily and fast. Let's have another one. He tried hard to learn English. Here, hard is the adverb form. Again, it is related to tried. How did he try to learn English? He tried to learn English hard. So you see, it relates to an action. That's why it's called an adverb. It is related to a verb form. So that is very typical of them. All these forms are adverb forms here in this part of the picture. And all the above ones are these are adjectives. And these are, of course, adverbs. Okay. It is quite interesting to note that some forms are identical. Some adjectives and adverb forms are the same. That goes, for example, for the word fast. He drives a fast car. Here, fast is an adjective. It describes the car. In this sentence here, fast is an adverb. Jason has learned English fast. So it describes the verb form. The same goes for the form hard. A tour across the highlands is hard. That's an adjective form. He tried hard to learn English. That is, of course, an adverb form related to try. So you see, sometimes it is not easy to find out if it's an adjective or an adverb. You have to look at the whole sentence, not just at the word. Is the word related to the verb form or is it related to the noun? That makes a difference. So you have learned today what adjectives are used for, and second, what adverbs are used for.